Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Today we are doing a decluttering video, and honestly, I'm so happy that I'm even saying that because that means I finally am getting some things done around here that I just had been procrastinating on and putting off, and they didn't even take that long, so I don't know what I was waiting for. But if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. Hit the like button if you guys enjoy this and want to see more videos like this one. And this also is a collab with Claire Ashley. You guys, I've been watching her videos since way before I started filming videos, so when she reached out I was like super excited. It was like full circle for me, and I think she's just like the sweetest girl ever. I think you guys would really like her. She did film a small clip for you to get to know her, so I will play that right now and then we'll get straight into the video.
Hi everybody, my name is Claire and I am a makeup artist in the Washington DC area. I love to make videos on how to look and feel your best to get you out the door with some of my favorite makeup tips and tricks, and I love connecting with all of you out there. So if you're new, so nice to meet you. I'm so excited about doing this collab with Alexandra today, and I hope all you guys enjoy our videos.
And here is the first thing we are working on, guys. It is a dresser in our bedroom right across from our bed, and I have been meaning to work on this for several months, you guys, so I'm so happy I finally am doing this. And in here I have a lot of workout stuff and pajamas, and I just have way too many. There are things in there that I don't wear, things that don't fit. Really unorganized, as you can see. It used to be like perfectly stacked and all separated, but it has not been like that in a long time, so that definitely is something I'm going to get done in today's video. There's way more stuff down there. And then at one point, one of these drawers was all workout, the other one was all pajamas, and now they kind of are like half and half, so I need to figure that out as well. And then over here is a home goods bag. I am finishing our room, you guys. It's almost done, and then I'm going to film a room tour, so definitely have an eye out for that. So first thing is first, I'm just pulling everything out one by one so I can see what I have, what I want to keep, and what I want to get rid of. Whenever I do things like this, I always find so many things that I completely forgot about, and sometimes I find things that my husband just put in like random drawers. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate, so it's like finding something that's brand new that I purchased and like I lost right away. And I don't have a whole lot of pajamas. I always end up wearing the same things, and it's always something that's really loose and comfortable. I feel like I really don't care like how cute something is at this point in life as long as I'm super comfortable. And super random, but I found a pair of leggings from a Costco a few months back and I'm obsessed with them. I will point them out in just a second. Here they are right in this clip. They are by Adidas and I really like these, so now I want to know if there's something else I should be looking out for at Costco. The only thing I've ever purchased there until this is food, but I've heard they have like a puffer vest or something that everyone is really into in the winter, so if you have any favorites from there, whether it's a basic or just like a sweater or something like that, let me know because the next time I'm there, I really want to check it out, but I'm just going to be folding and reorganizing and all of that, so I'm going to play some fun music for you guys, and then I will be back in just a second.
5 a.m. and we are in trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run till we fall apart. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. 9 to 5, we're all on the hustle. We wanna get away. Another day of beg, steal and borrow, and that is safe to say. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. Hey. No, I just wanna say hello. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down. And that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. No, they don't.
Okay guys, so here's an update of where we are so far. I pulled everything out. I have my piles, so all of these drawers are completely empty, and you guys are probably wondering like what is in this one, and that is bras and underwear. That's why I'm not like showing it, just in case you guys are wondering. I feel like if I don't say that, I'll get some comments like, why did you skip the top drawer? But it's a little too extra for YouTube in my opinion. So anyways, here is everything we are working with. I'm gonna run through what I have here so far. Here is everything I'm going to get rid of so far. It's not a lot of stuff. It's just things that are like really worn out, or things that are like way too small, things I know I won't fit in anymore, or just things I haven't worn in like well over 1 year, so I know I'm not going to wear them again. Like I have these pink, it's like a onesie pajama sets. I don't even know why I bought that, because it ran really small and I never wore it, and just random things like that that I know if I put them back in there I won't wear them again, so I'm just skipping that right now. Hopefully that helps. I just shut the blinds because it's super sunny in this room right now, but I have sets over here for pajamas, and then I probably will get rid of these. Actually, they're like the thickest pajama pants I've ever seen in my life, and yeah, I probably won't wear those again. Regular pajama pants, some t-shirts that I like to sleep in, just like a bunch of random t-shirts. And then right here is all of my sweatpants and my joggers. I do find a lot of like really cute ones at Forever 21. That's where those are from. And then right here are a bunch of shorts that I have, and I wanted to show you guys these from Lululemon. I got these a few years ago, and they have like a stretchy floral on top, and they're a light pink obviously. I just think those are so cute. And then I have so many leggings right here. I have like way too many, honestly. I probably should get rid of some, but they all fit and they're all super comfortable, so I love those. Right here are all of the workout tops, and again, I probably have like way too many of those as well, but they're all like super nice because I don't wear them that often, honestly. I feel like I have a lot of these, but I typically will wear just like regular tank tops for working out, so I definitely should start to wear those guys. And then I actually found several things that should be hung up in my closet and not stuffed in that drawer, so hopefully that will save me a lot of space. I'm just going to hang this stuff up and then separate everything back into the drawers.
Get away, another day of beg, steal and borrow, and that is safe to say. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. Hey. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night.
That was really quick and easy, so I should have done this a long time ago, but I wanted to show you guys the after. So here's the top drawer with my pajamas and my like house pants, or my lounge pants I guess I could call them, and I have a ton of extra space in the front. I was thinking that I may want to roll some of these things in the future, but I'm just gonna stick with this for right now. And then I have sets right here, and then in the second drawer is all of my workout stuff, and I got rid of a lot of it in this basket because it's just things I've had that I haven't worn. So I have so many leggings, that's why I rolled them. There are like a few rows of leggings right here. And I also like when I roll them, I always will leave out like something so I know exactly what pair they are. For example, I have part of the logo right here and I have a pocket right here. It's probably hard to tell since it's black on camera, but a pocket right here so I know which pair those are. And then I have all of my shorts in the back right here, and all of my workout tops I put sideways right here. And then there was so much space that was left over right here. I have some of my long sleeve workout tops that I actually was storing up in there because I didn't have room for them in here until now, so I'm really happy about that. And then I also am going through a dresser that has been sitting in our dining room for what feels like forever, you guys, but finally it's coming out of here, so I need to go through it and see what I need, what I don't, and just reorganize it because it is a total mess. I'll show you in just a second. But we are also redoing our dining room right now. We just bought a new table. I'll show you a sneak peek. This is the corner of it, and I absolutely love it. And I have a ton of frames right here. Like this obviously is way out of season. I need to put those somewhere else because I have a bunch of smaller frames, and all of these are going to go up on the wall in here, which I'll show you in the dining room video. And then I have 3 frames right here from a Target video. I need to put those up in the hallway. So a lot of stuff that has to be done. And then I'll just show you guys like one of these drawers. It all is just a bunch of art supplies like pencils and paint and papers. And yeah, it's pretty much like school supply stuff because I went to an art school, so there's way more stuff in there. There's also things that I use like for my videos when I do project videos. So all of that stuff I need to go through as well. I feel like I'm breathing a sigh of relief recording this voiceover right now because I know in a few days I will not have a dresser in my dining room anymore. It's going to go downstairs probably, and it will be filled with the arts and craft supplies that I use. But right now I just want to get rid of as much of the excess stuff that I can. And if you guys have been following for a long time, you probably remember seeing this in my office. We also have had this dresser in our guest bedroom, and it has a lot of random stuff in it since it's been in so many different places. So I really needed to just like get rid of as much as I could. And if you're wondering how I made this, I believe it's called a reusable wallpaper or semi-permanent wallpaper, and I absolutely love how this looks, you guys. I think it is so fun, and I will find a link for this stuff probably through Amazon because that is the easiest for everybody. So if you guys want some, I will have a link for it down below, but it comes in like so many different prints and styles, and I just think it's really cool for a child's room, for an adult's room, for whatever you want. There's just like a million ways to use this stuff, so I definitely recommend it. And then I also found the first thing I ever got from a subscriber. It is a bracelet with an A on it. I just thought that was really cute. I was so happy to find that. So I'm definitely holding on to that and putting that with the rest of my accessories where it should have been a long time ago. And then I'm going to get rid of some accessories that I didn't even know I still had. And yeah, just reorganize and go through this. I found a lot of surprises, so it was funny to see what had been hiding in here for way too long. When I was going through this, I was thinking, I cannot believe that I'm sharing this with you guys and putting it on the internet because it is so messy. But sometimes when I do like a house cleaning video, people will comment saying it's not that dirty. So this definitely is as dirty and as unorganized as it can get. But luckily by the end of this, in just a few seconds, you guys will see how much better it looks. And we are finally done. I'm going to show you guys everything in here, and this actually is going to go downstairs with the rest of the art supplies. I would say this is a little less than half of it, so I just wanted to get rid of as much stuff as I could. And I have a trash bag over here full of stuff that I no longer need. So in this first drawer, oh, I have nothing in these drawers. Oh, actually I don't think there's anything here either. No, okay. I'm losing it, you guys. I only have stuff in these two drawers. So in this first drawer, I have a lot of paint in the corner over here, and it's the paint I used in a Decorate With Me video a few weeks back when I decorated the front entryway. And then I also have a polyacrylic, and this is what I put on the top of the dresser, like on all of the white parts, so that the paint is protected and I can just like wipe it off really easily and it won't stain. And I totally recommend this. It's like, I think it's like a few dollars, you guys, really affordable, but if you ever paint furniture, I totally recommend that you put that on top of it. And then I have a bunch of like random stuff right here from previous projects that I've done that I just had some extra stuff left over, so I have a bunch of these pom-poms back here. And then I have this tape for making floral arrangements. I think that's from our wedding. So are these numbers. It's just like things from our wedding that I never used, but with arts and craft supplies, I feel like that's how it always is. It's just like random stuff and leftovers. So that's what a lot of this stuff is. Here are leaves from when I did a mirror in our bedroom that you guys have seen with the leaves around the edges, and I painted them gold. That's what those leaves are left over from. And in this corner are ribbons, a bunch of ribbons like from the holidays or just random projects that you guys have seen on my channel. Right here I have a hot glue gun and a bunch of different kinds of tape. And here is the bottom drawer. So I have a lot of paintbrushes right here and foam brushes. And then I have one of these guys for paper, for cutting paper. I don't know what it's called, but I'm sure you guys know what that is. And right here are a bunch of different kinds of paper, some cardstock and like thicker papers. And then I have these. It is an iron-on, and I never used it. And then I think those letters are the same thing, but hopefully I will find something for those eventually. And then I have a bunch of letters right here for a letter board. And yeah, I really am happy to like finally have those somewhere because I just had them in a bag. I'm sure you guys saw that. And then right here are just like small random things for the holidays. A lot of things for wrapping presents. I did a video on that stuff last Christmas, so that's the leftover stuff from that video. And eventually this will be like filled downstairs with the rest of my art supplies. And then I need to look online for a piece of furniture to go right here. And I'm just waiting for the dining room chairs and the end tables, and then I will hang up all of those frames that you guys saw right there. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel. I also will have a bunch of links down below for Claire's channel as well as recent videos, so don't miss out on that. And I will see you guys in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!